Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Quantum AI review. Guys, as you can see, I'm right inside of the members area of Quantum AI. I have checked out all of the modules you will find inside of this training course by James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier. That's the newest launch by those two musketeers. Okay, they're a great team. They come up with amazing products. This product is going live tomorrow. I'm just looking at my phone, check what date it is, what day it is, what time it is. I have no respect for time, but I do know that it's going live tomorrow, and tomorrow is the 8th of December. So it's going to go live from tomorrow, the 8th of December, 10 a.m. New York time, and from then you will be able to pick it up from me, and you do want to actually pick it up from me because, and I say it with all confidence, I'll probably give you the best bonuses out there, which will complement this product like there is no tomorrow. I have been chatting with Max, and I asked him to give me, after having gone through all of the training course myself, so I understand what this product is all about. And, I felt like, okay, this and that would complement this product. So let me see if Max can can kindly give me some bonuses that I could offer to my buyers. I've got there will be some bonuses from me. There will be one in particular which got a Warrior Plus deal of the day, actually, that Max launched some time ago with Travel Car, that, guys, I'll give you access to. So stay tuned for the details. I'll reveal everything very soon. Tell you exactly what this product is all about, because after all, that's what I like to focus on the members area. And yeah, so you can make this informed and educated decision as to whether this is for you or not, okay? So let's dig in and let me show you bit by bit everything. So here's the members area, guys. This is James and Max, okay? Great team. They release amazing products. I always choose to promote the products, again, after having watched all of it myself and, coming to the conclusion on, okay, is it a go-go or no-go? Should I recommend it to you guys? So rest assured that I have checked everything out, and, it got my stamp of approval. Is a valid way to make money. As I was chatting with Max, okay, I did tell him, like, guys, it's amazing how we always pick on what's upcoming, what's going to be the next great thing on the market and stuff like that. And what these guys are here, like, specifically talking about are those, GPTs. Okay, guys, GPTs, I thought it was like a bit of a joke to name it just GPTs, okay? Since we know ChatGPT, okay? ChatGPT, owned by OpenAI, obviously, is coming up, is launching, okay? I even did do my research, okay, after having gone through the training, because, as James and Max were saying, GPTs will be those GPT would be like your custom chat GPT. So will be personalized, customized, and will provide better information, will be like specific to whatever niche you're in. And they're going to be called, stores. There will be a chat. Sorry, I'm confusing you a little bit. I'm not confused. I understand that, but there's a lot of information going through my head. So ChatGPT will be launching the store, okay? ChatGPT store, and will be selling, not selling as such, but will be offering for GPT users, the paid users. So, you would need to be a ChatGPT Plus user to be able to create those GPTs. So custom sort of chat GPT. And then you will own it. It will be your software. You will build the software. In this training course, those guys will show you how to, in a very simple way. You just need to know what to do, how and what to do. They will direct you, okay? Just follow the instructions and you will be able to build your own chat GPT app, okay? It will be like an app that you can use, you can sell, you will own it, okay? You can sell it, you can use it for yourself. You can use it as your way of generating traffic for your free offers, for your lead magnets, your paid offers, your affiliate offers. It's the newest thing coming to town. And guys, that's why I was saying to them, you are so amazing at bringing like whatever huge, like a big thing is upcoming to the market, what is coming very soon. You know, as I was doing my research, it says that ChatGPT maker OpenAI has delayed the launch of its custom ChatGPT store. Okay, so even being part of this ChatGPT store, you will be able to benefit from it. There will be, like, you know, you can monetize your YouTube channel, you know, having met the requirements, obviously. There will be a way also to get paid from this in the future. It hasn't been launched yet, but it will be very soon. So it's very, you know, important for you to be the first before the rest will follow, because a lot of people will jump on it sooner or later. So the sooner you get in there, the more ahead of your competition you will be. So great that you have the opportunity to grab this training course, learn about it, how to benefit from it now. Okay, just when it hasn't launched yet. Okay, and let me just go to OpenAI, and then you see they're saying that you can now create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instruction, extra knowledge, and any combination of skill. So it's custom version, it's your custom versions, okay, of ChatGPT, guys. You can already create them. The story is not ready yet, but you can already create those GPTs, okay, use them, sell them. You can already create them as your, you know, software products without having to have any coding skills and stuff like that. And you do it in a very simple way. So they do say that rolling out the custom versions of ChatGPT and all of that. And yeah, it will hit the market very soon. So you will be way ahead of the competition. Guys, this is also the sales page. Go check it out for yourself. They do say this is like, you know, 100 times more insane than the first day of crypto and the launch of the App Store combined. And, you know, they do these two guys. Okay, check out the sales page. I'm not going to go through the sales page. If you want to buy, click this link here. And guys, also, before I go through the members area, let me just show you some insane bonuses I have for you. The first one will be the Warrior Plus, you know, deal of the day winner, Fiverr Rocket. And this one is by Max, and Trevor is the full-blown training course, guys. Very exclusive bonus, okay? Which will help you sell GPTs, and should you feel like you want to start creating them and sell them on Fiverr or Upwork, you know, freelancing platforms, list it out as one of your gigs, and it will be the sought after gig, guys, because it will be the most trendy thing, again, coming to the market. So everybody will be after them. So the sooner you get on board, the better for you, profit-wise as well, right? Mainly. Then next bonus I'll give you guys is the guide to creating side, how do you say it? Hassles, right? Using Fiverr. It's a PLR, by the way, bonus. It is a guide, is an ebook. And then I'll give you access to 2 additional very cool bonuses called AI Reels Academy on how to create those videos with a spokesperson. Okay, so turning a picture into a talking face, and you can do it all for free following this training course. So these are my bonuses. Now let's go to the members area again. The link to the sales page will be below my review. Go check it out for yourselves, guys. Now in the members area, following the introduction video with Max and James, as you can see, you have an invitation here to the webinar for serious people. Yes, it will be high ticket most likely, but again, I always like it because like the fact that I emphasize in Max and James during the webinar that this is not for everybody. This is only for very determined people with perseverance and the right mindset who want to make it and work closely with them. Not for everybody, but for those who have the eye on the prize. Yeah, it will be the match. Okay, and you can sign up to those guys' channels and you will have some upsells here and stuff like that. Okay, so let me just show you what kind of modules you will have without obviously like revealing, you know, too much, because it's not really fair. The main thing is that you understand what the product is all about. You understand the method, and you understand this is the big thing, you know, hitting the market in the days and weeks to come and months to come. Okay. So in the next module, they will talk to you about what they talk about actually in this video here is, you know, when they'll show you this video of Steve Jobs when he's one of the co-founders, right, of Apple, and how it was this amazing thing, you know, like a new era coming. And so is this thing here, you know, the ChatGPT store will be the next big thing, starting almost like a new era, most likely, guys, okay? And you're so privileged that you will be one of the first finding out about it, learning about it, and hopefully implementing. Should you pick up this course and, you know, put it into action, you will be one of the pioneers, okay, here. Anyhow, the next video is, this is the brand new revolutionary category, okay? So they will be talking about why this is such a wow thing, okay? Why this is starting the new era and breaking down this new era AI, okay? And the power of building your own AI. So you will be building your own AI following this method. So again, as of now, it is. I don't know how it will change in the future, but for now, you know, being able to create those software ChatGPT apps will be for the paid users of ChatGPT only. So is it called ChatGPT? You know, ChatGPT 4.0, right? Or is it called ChatGPT Plus? So you will be able to build your own ChatGPT apps following this training course, and how to make it your own AI, then how to monetize this new era AI. So you see, they don't leave you high and dry here, so to speak, okay? In a way that, you know, they just show you, okay, you can do that. Okay, but how do I monetize it? How do I make money with it? And I love it that they give you so many ways of, you know, monetizing it, so many suggestions, ideas. And, you know, it comes straight from the horse's mouth, because these guys do make money with AI all the time. I mean, Max and so is James, so much into AI. I mean, these guys are really the right people to learn from about AI. And Dave Espino, who launches with James very often too, is very, very, very knowledgeable in terms of AI as well. Now, ChatGPT store launching very soon. They talk about that. As I did mention to you as well, it has not launched yet, guys. So you are coming at the very, very right time before the boom, okay, takes place. Now, how to get your AI in front of the right audience, free traffic, ways of getting free traffic to your AI apps, okay, and using the new era AI to sell affiliate offers. Obviously, you can use those to sell anything you want. What those? GPTs, okay, GPT apps, you know what I mean. Now, multiple ways to make money with this. You see how many modules you have on traffic, on how to monetize this. So this is amazing. And actually, the big picture, this is like a very nice, you know, discussion James and Max will have here in this video. Now, access your own custom AI. They will actually give you access to GPT they made themselves, and they actually call it quantum AI, okay? So you will have access to it as well. Now, here are the upgrades, which I'll show you right here from inside of the map, from inside of what? Warrior Plus. There will be quite a few upsells, guys. I'll not go through all of them. Some of them will be the previous products, but especially up to upgrade number 4, there will be really, really like complementing the front end, building it up. I mean, adding to the value that front end will deliver to you. Okay, so go through them. There will be downsells as well. If there's anything that catches your attention and interest, pick it up. If not, leave it. Okay. Now the front end will be $17, and it is worth it. It is an amazing product. Guys, so that was my Quantum AI review. Do remember you are getting some amazing bonuses, you know, hand-picked. Also, I asked the vendors themselves to give me some bonuses to sweeten up the deal as well. And these bonuses will really, really help you with making money with this method a lot. Okay? So, cool. Now, yeah, this one, the Fiverr Rocket got the deal of the day. It's a full-blown training course, guys, by Max and Trevor Carr. Good training course. So much value getting from this training course. Yeah, so okay, cool. That was my Quantum AI review, guys. Pick it up from tomorrow. Okay, it hits it goes live. Let me just double check. Sorry, I'm a bit of a mess when it comes to time very often. From the 8th, 10 a.m. New York time, the 8th of December, not November. I might have said November, but forgive me. This is just me. Okay. Yeah, so bye guys. Love you, leave you. That was my Quantum AI review. I'm quite excited, as you can see. And rightly so. Okay. Bye.